In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a signature field in Docusign so your recipients know exactly where to sign and you can get documents completed more quickly and accurately. Let's start from the point where you already have your document open in Docusign. Maybe you've uploaded a PDF, a Word file, or you're using a template. What matters is that you're looking at the document in the editing view, sometimes called the tagging screen. This is where you place all the fields that your recipients will interact with, including signatures, dates, and text boxes. Once you're in that editing view, look over to the Fields panel. Depending on your layout, it's usually on the left or the right side of the screen. This panel contains all the tools you need to prepare your document for signing. You should see options like signature, initials, date signed, name, and other common fields. Today, I'll show you how to work specifically with the signature field. In the Fields panel, find the option labeled Signature. This is the field that tells Docusign this is where the signer needs to place their legally binding signature. It's different from just adding text or an image because a signature field is tied to a specific recipient and is used to complete the signing process. Once you've located the signature field in the panel, you're going to drag and drop it onto your document. Click and hold the signature field with your mouse, then move your cursor over the page where you want the person to sign. As you move around the document, you'll see a semi-transparent preview of the field that helps you place it accurately. When you found the right spot, release the mouse button to drop the signature field there. Common locations are at the bottom of a contract, next to a name line on a form, or in any designated sign here area that's already printed on the document. Take a moment to position it carefully so it lines up neatly with any existing text or signature lines. You can usually click and drag the field again to fine-tune its position, and you can also adjust the size if needed by dragging the corners. I'm going to walk you through the next important part, assigning that signature field to the correct recipient. Every signature field in Docusign must be linked to a specific signer. This is how Docusign knows who needs to sign where. Look for an option near the field or in a properties panel that lets you choose the recipient. There is typically a drop-down menu or label showing the name or role of the signer. Click that and select the person who should sign in that spot. If you have multiple recipients, be sure you're choosing the right one, especially when you have several signature fields on the same document. Once you assign the field, you'll usually see the recipient's color or label applied to that signature box. That's a visual confirmation that the field is correctly linked. If you spot any mistakes, you can click on the field and change the assigned recipient before sending. I'll show you the easiest way to finish up. After placing and assigning your signature fields, review the document from top to bottom. Make sure all required signature spots are covered and each one is assigned to the right person. When everything looks good, you're ready to proceed with sending the document for signature, confident that your recipients will know exactly where to sign.